Connect the power cord, plug in the data cable, and turn on the printer. This is the printer switch. This is to open the cover of the ribbon and pull it up hard. Press open to open the lid. Here are the components that write data to the chip. Push the shaft stick to the right first, and then take it out. Never pull it out with force. Install ribbon. Push to the right first, then align and turn. Take an empty core and roll the used ribbon. If the roll core is too long, you don't need to put the buckle on. Take it out. This is the sensor. Press to the left and lift up. Gently push towards the middle. Sensor position aligned with label spacing.